I want to give you a tour of Dawn's garden. This is a 4-garden classic with a little bonus bed at the back. We have arch trellises here in the front. This garden is growing a lot of things that have lasted through the summer, and the first has got to be this amazing eggplant. We just staked this up. Monica staked this up because it was falling over, but it has a lot of fruit on it, which is really fun. She has this huge gomphrena, which we've had to pull back. This thing is crazy big, but it is great for pollinators, and maybe next time I would almost even say put this outside of your raised bed or keep it really pruned back. But it is so lovely and obviously is very happy in these beds. We've got chives, and a lot of them are flowering, which is so pretty. We have sage. We just added a bunch of new peppers to the garden space. She's got rosemary back here in this bed, some African blue basil. She's got really pretty pink zinnias here and some vinca here on the end. More peppers. I love how she added these obelisk trellises to the back corners, and then this African blue basil here at the back. Then she's got 2 citrus trees, one on each side, plus this cute little pollinator bed to crown off the garden space. So it's a great example of how you can turn a spot in your yard of grass into a much more interesting place to hang out and play and learn and eat. So thanks so much for watching, and thanks for bringing back the kitchen garden with me. Bye.